Today we're cutting a crab. Yeah, for real, I got a crab from the ocean. Today we're gonna cut it. Let's get into video, get it ready. Let's cut this. It's kind of annoying. It's kind of disgusting. Freaking like, oh my gosh. Can't do it. Wait. Ew. Ew, bro. You can see like the crack on it. Ew! I'll take it out. It's stuck in the mouth. Ew, bro. The crab is gutted. It smells disgusting. It smells like crab. You gotta cut this part. Ew! I think I just stopped the brain. No, bro. Ew. Oh my gosh, bro. Look at that. It's so hard for you guys to see anything. Look at that, guys. It's cracked. It's cracked even more. Bro, it looks so disgusting. Oh, it smells kind of weird. It smells like the food. Ew. Ew, bro. God, this paper towel. Stop. Hey guys, wait for a moment. Okay guys, I set it up a little bit. Now it's gonna be a better view. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Ew. The crab is cooked. To the mouth, bro. Ew, bro, looks so disgusting. Bro, ew! I got it all wet. Ew! Look at that. It's a brain? Can you guys even see this? How disgusting that is. For real. Look at that. It's broken. Ew, look at that. It smells delicious, bro. How is this delicious? This is so annoying. Wait, guys. It's so hard to get it out, bro. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, it's so hard getting it, bro. It's actually so hard getting it. Look at that. Get closer. You, bro. This is what's inside of a crab. Ew. Oh, bro. Brother. Ew. Look at all the that. Ew. Can't even say anything. It's so disgusting. Oh my gosh. It's so hard, bro. It's so hard. Look. Ew, it's on my iPad. Oh, not anymore. It was on my iPad. Look at that, ew. Do you guys love crabs? Crabs are disgusting. Okay, this is gonna be the end part of the video. Ew, bro, look at that. So annoying, bro. Oh my, it smells so bad. Oh my gosh. It's the whole crab. Guys, this is gonna be the end of disgusting video for sure. See ya.